Alright, so you have a big expensive clock. You pay about probably 500 for it. It'll last long and you refuse to throw it away and you're hoping to get repair. You don't know who can do it for you. Thank God for Mr. Fixer 360. He can do it for you. Alright. So the problem with this clock is not working. Alright, I'll put on the battery. And it also does have a second hand. Now to repair this now, what you need is a new engine. This engine gone. You have to replace this engine with a new one. Alright, so here what you're going to do now, there's screws to remove. Alright, so there's screws that hold the body. So remove the screws first. Three more screws left to remove. Alright, so the next step now is to remove the back cover. Alright, so the back cover don't come out. It's the front cover, so you have to be careful. You hold it below, turn it around like this. Remove the glass. And the frame that holds the glass. So the next step now is to remove the hands. Now you have to be very careful when you move the hand because you don't want to pull it or bend it or break it. So here what you're going to do, you're going to take your two fingers like this, take the nails, put it between like this and raise. Right, so right end piece. Now we'll take a pliers like this, it have a nut, unscrew it. You want to be careful you don't damage the pit here. Where's that side? Remove this part. Sometimes it will stick down the engine. I don't know why, but this one is coming out. So that flathead screwdriver. Let's see. Now you have to be careful not to damage the body. Alright, so let's stick down this. I'll try my best not to damage the clock and take it out and get back to you. Alright, so I was able to get it out without damaging the clock. As you can see, let's stick this with some 2-way tape. The reason why, because they want to repair the clock. If they try to repair the clock, they will damage the whole clock and end up buying a new one. Very clever. Right, so this is the old one, you can see mashup. Now to put in a new one, make sure the battery part facing downwards. Down the spacer and the nut. Tighten it, but not too tight. Install back the hands. Install the battery, make sure. Right, so now that it's have no second hand, in fact, I will use a second hand to see. Give the battery. So I'll leave it run for a while and get back to you. Make sure the minute hand moving. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and you can see the minute hand moving. So everything working good. I'll remove the battery. And make sure the minute hand and our hand moving. See, okay, see the problem already? The problem already is that this jamming, so this had a raise, this hand had a raise. This had a drop, and this one had a raise. Alright, so I'll fix that. Alright, so you have a slighting again. I will raise it. Alright, so you have enough space and everything working, as you can see. So I'll install back the frame and the glass. Install back the screws. Now you want to make sure whenever you install these screws, right, you don't over tighten it, because when you over tighten it, it will damage the plastic threading and the screws will no longer hold the frame that hold the glass. And when that happens, that is trouble. Oh, I forgot one thing. Forget to put on this. Alright, so I'll pause the video, put on this and get back to you. Alright, so I done screw up everything, put on the piece that was missing, screw it up and everything, and there you have it. Now you know how to repair a clock that you like so much. Thanks to Mr. Fix-It 360, you can enjoy this clock in the living room once again, or your bedroom once again. And all you need was a simple engine. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix-It 360 saying good luck with all your clock repairs.